In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Google Tasks. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to capture tasks, add helpful details, pull tasks straight from email, and organize everything into the right list so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start with the simplest way to add a task. On your phone or your computer, open Google Tasks. On desktop, you can find it in the right side panel of Gmail or Google Calendar, or open the Tasks app on mobile. Tap or click. Add a task, type what you need to remember, and then press Enter or tap Save. That's it. Your task is created and visible in your list. This quick capture is great when you're in a hurry and just want to get the thought out of your head. Now, if you want to make that task more actionable, add a few details. Click or tap the task you just created to open its details. Here you can choose a date and time so it shows up when you need it. This helps you plan your day, and if notifications are enabled on your device, you'll get a reminder. You can jot down notes to add context, like a link, a quick checklist, or key points you don't want to forget. And you can create subtasks to break a big item into smaller steps. Subtasks are perfect for multi-step work because they make progress feel visible and manageable. There's also a fast way to turn emails into tasks. In Gmail, open the email you want to follow up on, then click Add to Tasks. Google Tasks instantly creates a new task that's linked back to that exact email. Later, when you click the task, you can jump right to the message without searching. This is especially helpful for requests, approvals, or anything you need to revisit. If you like to keep life separated, you can add a task to a specific list. Choose the list you want, maybe work, personal, or any custom list you've created. Then click Add a Task. The new item goes directly into that list, keeping everything clean and easy to scan. You can switch lists anytime to review what matters in each area of your life. Here's a quick example of this in action. Add Do homework as a basic task, then open it and set a due time so you actually start. Add study trading with a couple of subtasks like read notes and practice charts, plus a note with the resource you need. And add Go to gym to your personal list with a time that fits your schedule. That's all you need to confidently add tasks in Google Tasks, quick, clear, and organized.